Hey guys, in this video, going to be walking you through how to charge your AirPods. So when you open up your AirPods case and the AirPods are not in them and you see an amber light, what this means is that your case is getting low on charge, and it means that there's less than one full charge that it could give to your AirPods left in the charging case. Now, of course, to charge your AirPods, it's really simple. Just go ahead and put them in the charging case, and you can see that the light is green. That means that my AirPods are fully charged. If I put them in the case and that light was orange, it would mean that there still is some charging left to do with those AirPods. Now, to charge the case, if it's wirelessly charge enabled, that means if you have a Qi wireless charger, all you have to do is have that plugged in, put your AirPods case on it, and you can wirelessly charge. Now, if you have the version of the AirPods case like me that isn't able to wirelessly charge, it's really simple. Just take the charging cord that came with your AirPods, plug in one side, of course, to the AirPods themselves, and then the other side, you can plug this into the wall with one of these USB wall adapters, or you can also just plug this into perhaps a computer that you have that has a USB port. Just go ahead and plug that in, and then that should also charge your AirPods case. So that's probably all of the different things that you need to know about charging your AirPods. Again, just a quick recap. When your AirPods are in the case and you open it as a green light, that means your AirPods are fully charged. When you take your AirPods out of the case, and currently I have an amber light showing, that means that I really do need to charge this case because there's less than a full charge for the AirPods left in the charging case. Now, if this was green, then you would be in a better situation where you could be able to fully charge those AirPods the next time that they ran out of battery. So I hope this tutorial video was helpful, walking you through and explaining how you can go about charging your Apple AirPods. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.